Hi family, how you doing? As you can see, beautiful rainstorm coming. Loving it. You can barely see the mountains. It's just fantastic. And over the hills, that's where the sun rises. We're about to get hit by another fantastic rainstorm. So yeah, can't wait for it to hit now. Oh, look at the sky. It's so black. And we're about to get drilled. It's about 5 minutes away, I think. So if there's anything fantastic to film, I'll film it for you. But hey, it's it's amazing up here. Sunshine 1 minute, storms the next. I think I've found paradise. Here we go. Well, as you can see, this state definitely is not in a drought. Well, this part of the state, I mean. And yeah, it's just the wind's blowing quite strong. I'm about 10 floors up in quarantine, but I'm doing this for all of you, my family. So I hope you love it as much as I do. Love a good storm. May this quarantine never end, because it's just terrific here. Oh, here we go. It's about to hit, and I'll hang on. I'll shut the door so no rain goes inside. I don't mind getting drilled. I do it for you guys, and it's fun. Storm chasing is fun. Oh boy. Here comes the rain. And lots of it, I hope. I think there's my home, somewhere over there. And my friends, I hope one day I can meet all of you, and my family, I hope I can meet all of you, and you can join me if you choose to. This is... oh, here it comes. No wonder it's so green here. The gardens, and as you can see up the street, everything's just so green. It's rain and sunshine, and it's just fantastic. Gardens are incredible. Yep, a few drops of rain, so here we come. Enjoy the show. Oh man, I'm getting wet now. It's great, it's great. Strong wind, heavy rain. Living the dream. If you're a storm chaser, that is. Oh god. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Yes, now we're getting. Now it's coming. Fantastic. hear it. Oh, look at that. Oh, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. I hope the camera picks up those raindrops because it's really pelting down here. Oh, there you go. Fantastic. Enjoy the show. Wow. Okay, my friends, there you go. It's raining and quite heavy, but beautiful. Alright everyone, take care and bye for now.